Hello and welcome back to A-Level Geography Explained. Today, we're going through 5 essential case studies you need to know for A-Level. Let's begin. Number 1. Holderness Coast, Coastal Erosion. The Holderness coastline in Yorkshire is Europe's fastest eroding coastline, losing around 1 to 2 meters every year. The cliffs are made of soft boulder clay, which is easily eroded by processes like hydraulic action and abrasion. There's also longshore drift moving sediment southwards, but coastal defences like groins at Mappleton have starved areas further down the coast, causing even faster erosion in places like Spurn Head. Management strategies include rock armour at Hornsea and sea walls, but they're expensive and not sustainable for the whole coastline. This case study is brilliant for questions on coastal erosion, management strategies, and conflicts over protection. Case Study 2. Haiti 2010 Earthquake, Tectonic Hazard. In January 2010, a magnitude 7.0 earthquake struck just 25 kilometers from Port-au-Prince, Haiti's capital. Haiti was extremely vulnerable, poorly constructed buildings, a weak government, and limited emergency services. Over 200,000 people died, with major secondary impacts like cholera outbreaks and mass homelessness. International aid flooded in, but corruption and poor planning meant recovery was slow and uneven. Haiti is a textbook example of how poverty and governance can massively increase hazard risk and disaster impact, key for any tectonics or disaster response question. Number 3. Amazon rainforest, deforestation. The Amazon rainforest spans across 9 countries, but Brazil holds the largest share. Deforestation is mainly driven by cattle ranching, agriculture, especially soy, illegal logging, and infrastructure projects like roads. The environmental impacts are huge: loss of biodiversity, increased carbon emissions, disruption of the water cycle, and soil degradation. In response, there have been attempts at sustainable management, establishing conservation areas, promoting ecotourism, and international agreements. The Amazon fits into ecosystems, climate change, global governance, and even globalization topics, making it one of the most versatile case studies to know. Number 4. London, urban regeneration, Stratford. Stratford in East London was one of the most deprived areas in the UK before 2012. The London Olympics were used as a catalyst for regeneration. £9 billion was spent on building new homes, Westfield Shopping Centre, sports facilities, and improving transport links like the Jubilee Line extension. There's a strong exam link here to both successes and criticisms of regeneration. Property prices have skyrocketed, and many original residents were priced out. You can also tie Stratford into discussions about sustainable urban development, rebranding strategies, and the uneven impacts of regeneration. Number 5. Maldives, climate change and sea level rise. The Maldives is a small island nation in the Indian Ocean, made up of around 1,200 islands. It's incredibly vulnerable to climate change. Most land is just 1.5 meters above sea level. Rising seas threaten homes, fresh water supplies, tourism income, and even the physical existence of the islands. Adaptation strategies include building sea walls around the capital, creating artificial elevated islands, and exploring international migration plans if the worst happens. The Maldives is a perfect case for discussing climate change impacts, adaptation versus mitigation strategies, and global inequalities in facing environmental change. So there you have it, 5 case studies you need for A-Level. Master these, and you'll be ready for almost any high-mark question that comes up. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth breakdowns, and good luck with the rest of your revision.